How is the worth or monetary value of a serious injury case determined? Attorney George C. Creal explains. The worth or monetary value of a serious injury case is determined relative to the totality of the circumstances. No one wants to put a money value on life, but when you're dealing with a collision or serious injuries or even wrongful death, you have to put a monetary value on a life. You would look at the person's income potential, education, work history, and how much they were able to work prior to the collision as opposed to after the collision. You would also look at how the collision will affect them moving forward and the amount of past and future medical expenses. In serious injury cases, we will often hire professionals to prepare what's called a life care plan, which breaks up all the possible medical treatment a person would need for the rest of their life and puts a monetary value on each item of medical care for the projected duration of the injured party's life. In very serious cases, where the person has lost the ability to walk or has diminished mental capacity or brain damage, the amount of all future medical treatment could be tens of millions of dollars. Pain and suffering will often be determined as a factor or a multiple of the past and future medical expenses. For example, if you have $100,000 in medical expenses, the claim could be worth anywhere from $300,000 to $1 million. Many times, juries and lawyers will determine the value of a case as a factor or multiple of the medical expenses. Take the safe road by hiring attorney George Creal and his team, who bring over 50 years of courtroom experience to counsel's table, providing your case with the individualized time and attention to detail required for success.